Hello everyone, we are going to unbox the Ender 3 V3 SE tonight. So alright, so the manual, there's a long pin, probably is helping you to clean out the clock on the hot end. So a bag of tools like clippers, some screw, a little bag of white filament, okay, the screen, power cord, okay, so it looks like everything is in there. The main frame, and then the heat pad with the like a PEI sheet. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. So the display, the frame with the hot end unit. So it looks like it's pretty straightforward. So with the top synchronized belt with dual C synchronized stepper motor. Oh, actually it's only one side, so one stepper motor, but with the synchronized belt, so it's cool. Looks like it's pretty straightforward for installation. Looks like it's just put it in there and put the screw on, and then you are almost done. So be right back. So I'm going to set it up